Good day. I want to discuss our direct marketing plan, long-lasting agency. Our client is Asialink Finance Corporation. Executive summary. If your client thinks you know the answers to their biggest marketing problems, you become their solution. Long-lasting agency is creative and high-quality personalized direct marketing business for financing company. The purpose of long-lasting agency is to give a good quality service to their clients and to have a competitive advantage among their competitors here in the Philippines. Our logo, long-lasting agency. Business description. Long-lasting agency caters to businesses that have marketing problems. Long-lasting agency is responsible in development of a number of successful strategies in reaching the target market groups. Mission statements. Long-lasting agency's mission is to provide successful, creative, direct marketing agencies for the clients. Mission statements. Our vision is to deliver a better service and strategies to all possible clients. Goals. Long-lasting agency aims to create customer awareness regarding the offered services, then develop the customer base, and finally work toward building customer loyalty. Objectives. Our objectives are increase awareness about the company by 15% after the operation, acquire 20 clients by the end of the first year of operation, grow earnings per share 15% annually. Services that agency provides: marketing campaign development, database analysis, and balance printing. Client customer review. Client company name. Our client is Asialink Finance Corporation. Products and services offered of Asialink Finance Corporation: business loan, car loan, doctor's loan, PUJ loan, tricycle loan, taxi loan, corporate loan, and real estate loan. Current marketing situation analysis. The current problems of Asialink Finance Corporation are so many financing companies is entered in the market, and many companies are offering low interest to all the clients to have the highest amount released and to meet also their monthly and yearly quota. Competitive analysis. The competitive advantage of Asialink among competitors is fast releasing of loans within 72 hours, and also Asialink treat their clients as friends and family. Pricing analysis. When it comes to pricing, Asialink Finance Corporation gave highest approved amount of loan and lowest interest, but it depends on the model unit of the car or depends on the ability to pay of the borrower. Distribution analysis. In distribution, Asialink has 93 branches in the Philippines. Promotional analysis. When it comes to promotion, the employees and loan consultant of Asialink gives the clients to the people or to the possible clients to inform and to persuade the people to try the products offered of Asialink. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Highly loyal clients, meet the quota in 1 year, innovative products and services. Weaknesses. Declining clients, not well promoted, a limited budget to develop brand awareness. Opportunities. Increasing number of accounts, increasing company income, increasing potential clients. Threats. Many new financing companies have entered in the market. Future or potential competition from companies that recognize the limited barriers of entry. When clients are not paid, it may cause delinquent of account. Financial plans. The budget of Asialink Finance Corporation in their marketing is 5,000 for every 2 weeks for their saturation. 6 million is the amount of the releasing loan every month in Asialink. Performance measures. The quota of Asialink Finance Corporation is 8 million every month. This is the quota that they need to meet. Direct marketing strategy, situation, opportunity, and issue analysis. The situation as now the company is many other financing company entered to the market. The competitors create unique strategy to call some of their competitors to become the top and offer the lowest interest that can customer attract. Some financing company could provide the same service in a diversified business with an overall lower cost base. Goals. Our goal to have productive company with a good, healthy income and minimal. In order to obtain creative business, is to always be making progress in order to take the business to new heights. Objectives. To be the #1 financing company by 2020. To increase clients' awareness by 15% after 2 months of execution of plan. To increase in sales by 15% by the end of the second year. Marketing strategy. Long-lasting agency will create a direct marketing campaign that fits within a client's budget, range, and effectively targets the firm's potential customers. Tactics. Direct mail. Definition. Printed matter carrying a sales message. Telemarketing. Definition. Usage of telephone for promotion response. Social media. Definition. Shift in how people discover, read, and share news and information and content. Mobile marketing. Definition. The use of wireless media, primarily cellular phones. These are the marketing tools mix that can be used by the agency to market Asialink Finance Corporation and to become more popular in the market. And all of these tools are using database coming from the clients. Asialink has a list of their clients. Our timetable. Task. April, May, June. Identifying the marketing problems of Asialink Finance Corporation. Preparing all the materials that needed in the strategies. Finalization of all the programs and strategies that will be executed. Providing of all the necessary for the campaign. Task. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and March. First, delivery of mail to all the houses of the clients of Asialink Finance Corporation from July to September. Starting calling the clients, July and August. Spreading message to the clients from October to January. Start to add in Facebook the possible clients and continues adding and posting more information of Asialink Finance Corporation from July to March. Budgeting and evaluation. Direct mail, including the materials. Our budget is 11,550. Telemarketing, telephone bills, 10,000 pesos. Mobile marketing, cellular phones, bills, 7,200. The total of budget in direct marketing is 28,750 pesos.